Good day, grade 9s. Would want to continue with the PowerPoint. The first video, I think you've gone through it, and I promise that we'll continue with PowerPoint. And this time we want to look at one of the question papers for grade 9 PowerPoint, which was written at Lake Road PTS School in Lusaka. And the question is, that was question 2, and you are required to use Microsoft PowerPoint presentation for this work or for this question. So to do that, obviously, we will need to open PowerPoint. There it is. Taking long, but finally we're there. Now open the first blank page there. So according to the question, it's saying open a blank PowerPoint and type your name, exam number, and center name in the footer. So I'll go to Insert tab. Under Insert tab, I'll look at where it is saying footer, there, header and footer. When I click there, I will have this interface. So we need to insert in the footer there. I will click and I will need to enter. They are talking about examination number, meaning your name, exam number, center name. So let's enter that. Let's assume that my name is Messi Sivalwa. I'll put the slash, then I'll put the exam number, assuming this is the exam number. I'll put the slash, and I'll put the center number. If it's 2017, the center number is the exam center code for your school. When you enter that, at the bottom here it's saying apply to all. So if you just click on apply, this will take effect only on your first page. If you click apply to all, it will be on each and every slide that you're going to create. So this will be my option, because I want each slide to have the footer like that. Meanwhile, let me just close my WhatsApp. It's disturbing my screen. Right. So the next question now there, it's saying insert an automatic slide numbering on all slides. So that is easy. You go back to the Insert tab where you found the footer, header and footer. Just on top of the footer there is this slide number. When you check this box, it will start adding numbering on each slide you create. So that is what it means, automatic slide numbering. From there we go now to the second question. There it's saying, the third one, on the first slide type the history of computers. So we are going to type the history of computers in the click to add title, place order at the top. So the click to add title and the press order is click to add title. This is where we are going to type what we've been asked, and that is the history of computers. Right. Next, type the following characters in the subtitle press order. So we are going to type all this. All this, we are going to type it in the subtitle here. So we'll type that. Let me just control, there must be a T in front there. Let me try capital T. What's wrong with my keyboard? Not sure. T. Still getting. I'm okay now. So we type that and we check. We are done. When you type that, and we go to the next question, insert a 2 content slide. So we insert that. So we are going to insert another slide on home tab, and there where it's saying new slides, we click the down arrow and we look for the to content. This is the one right here. Click there and it is inserted. It's this simple. Then when you insert the to content slide, you add and center align the title, types of early computers. So this is going to be the title, types of early computers, and it will be there. And after typing it, they say you center align this. So I'll ensure that this is centered. You remember this alignment thing from Microsoft Word. We've done this in class. What is next? The next thing they say, type the following bulleted lists tab. We're going to type this, and as you can see, the format is similar to the format of our slide. So without wasting time, I'll just copy this and paste them there. Then on the other side, I'll do the same. I'll copy this. After copying, I'm going to paste there, and it's as good as we have typed this, and they give you simply easy 4 marks. The marks you can't even get from mathematics. They are there in PowerPoint. Then the next question, below the bulleted list, type the text. This is the text we're going to type below the bulleted list. Without wasting time, let me just copy this. Now I have a challenge here. So this is the bulleted list. Now below I need to type there. So what I'm going to do, I'll create, just use your creativity there. I'll minimize this to create space at the bottom. I'll minimize this up to there, and this other tab bullets I'll also minimize. Now I have space at the bottom. When I click, it's not giving me a chance to type. What am I going to do? I will just use creativity. Under insert tab, I will get the text box there. It's taking long. Text box. I have that arrow to insert the text box, and I'll just paste what we are going to type. I remember in class this is what gave you problems, that it's just going to the other side. You can take your cursor. When you get those 4 arrows, it means you can drag the text box and take it where you want it to be, but still it has gone beyond there. What I can do is click somewhere in the sentence in between and press the enter key like that, and everything now is in focus. That is a little creativity you can do in order to ensure that you've answered this question. The other part where we had a lot of issues in class was insert a blank slide. To insert a blank slide, use the slide below to create the pie chart. We are going to use this to create a pie chart. So let's insert the blank slide. Under the home tab, insert. To insert new, I'll select the blank slide, and I have the third slide now there. And here, this is where we're going to insert a pie chart. According to the question here, it's saying that create a pie chart. So let's create a pie chart. I'll go on insert, on the chart icon, then I'll select the pie because we are creating a pie chart, and I will choose the default one there and click OK. No sooner I click OK, mostly always Excel is supposed to pop up. When Excel pops up here, we are going to type like exactly the instructions from the question paper, that is in types of computers. There we have super computer. The next was the mainframe computer. The third one was the mini computer. The next one there, we are going to put the micro computer. The next one there, it's the palm computer, like that. Then we come to the other side as well. On the other side, we're also going to type percentage in circulation, and there it was 30, it was 10, 60, we add 100, and we add 160, like that. Hopefully we've typed the correct thing. Great. After typing, saying show the type of computer and its percentage in each segment. So simply means I am going to close the Excel here and now work with this. I want the mainframe computer and the percentage inside there, because the question is saying show the type of computer and its percentage. So let's go ahead. When you come here, there is this. You click on that and it's okay. I will select the label, but I'm interested in going this far. And they said they should be inside. But how many emphasis is that when I go on more options, I'll be able to see what the question is asking us to do. It is asking us to only show computer, type of computer, and the percentage. So from there, I'm going to check percentage and the type of computer, which is category. These others I'll remove. So as you can see from there, palm computer with the percentage, and it looks like we have achieved what the question was asking us to do. From there, let's check what else are we supposed to do. Below the chart, type the following. We are going to type the following. This is what we are going to type below the chart. So let's go below the chart. Like I did previously, I'm going to create space at the bottom. And this is where I'm going to type the instructions given. I'll look for the insert tab. In text box, I'll click there and I will simply paste what I've copied. Following the same procedure, I will get those 4 arrows, drag this to bring the rest of the text in focus. I will click somewhere, maybe there, and click the enter key, and I have everything now in focus. This is how easy the question paper, the question was, and it's possible that you can get everything from this question just simply by following instructions. And hopefully you have taken note of what was troubling you in class, and the next time we might meet, I will give you this as an exercise, and I hope you will get everything right. Thank you very much, and see you next time.